to make it harder for people to buy powerful assault weapons like the ones that were used in San Bernardino. What we can do and must do is make it harder for them to kill.
President Obama says no matter how good our intelligence is in this country, not every mass shooter will be identified before they kill. That's why he says we need tighter regulations on assault weapons.
But amid the talk of tightening regulations, one top Northern Kentucky law enforcer says if you're licensed to carry a concealed gun, make sure you have it with you just in case. 9 on your side's Tom McKee has much more from both sides of this issue tonight.
Boone County Sheriff Mike Helmick just posted this letter on the department's Facebook page. It's straightforward. It says if you have a CCW permit, don't leave that weapon at home.
Ms. Ann Anderson knows better than most people about the pain of gun violence. She lost a son, her only child, 6 years ago this very day.
My whole world changed from that day, and I really haven't been the same.
Not surprisingly, she agrees with Cincinnati community outreach workers about what needs to be done.
I think they should have tighter gun control.
That's what President Obama is advocating, especially for the sort of assault rifles used in California.
Don't choke the law-abiding citizen with these silly laws.
That's how Major Tom Shaben of the Boone County Sheriff's Office sees it. Instead, Sheriff Mike Helbing wants CCW permit holders to be more proactive.
If you're in a situation where first you defend your family, or first you protect your family, then if you can take action, take action.
But community outreach worker Ali Rashid Abdullah says he feels there's a problem here.
People have a right to defend themselves if in fact their life is threatened. But with the hysteria that's taking place, it probably will only add to more chaos, more problems, more difficulty, more unjust shootings than what's already taken place.
Major Shaben counters that only a small percentage of people who buy guns, a very small percentage, actually use them for illegal purposes. And just judging by these newspaper ads, there is a great demand to buy weapons these days. Tom McKee, 9 on your side, Burlington.